Come on, Dexter, go away.
Go away.
Are you going? What a spoilt dog.
Hi everyone.
Welcome to Dexter's Travels. This is the first of hopefully many videos to come where we're going to bring you along on our travels through the UK and into Europe, showing you some various sites that we visit and hopefully picking up some tips and tricks and bits and pieces around motorhoming. Yeah, it's our first major trip just completed in our Chausson 640. I have to say that everything went very well. So where was our first trip?
The west coast of Scotland.
West coast of Scotland. So as everybody knows, beautiful, stunning, amazing, but the weather can be interesting to say the least. So I think we missed summer. Summer is one day in Scotland apparently. We didn't get any midges or anything like that, but the rest of the time it rained. That's why there were no midges. So after a week we got most of everything we wanted done, so we decided to head back towards the West Country, but en route go through
Wales.
So Wales. So we went to North Wales, up through Snowdonia, more mountains and more beautiful beaches, and we spent a week there. So yeah, and basked in the late summer sunshine, which was lovely. So no further ado, we'll get on with the show and show you some video that we took along the way. Woohoo, Scotland! So yeah, we were camped last night by Loch Lomond, a place called Duck Mill. It's pretty good. Good firework display last night and a stunt plane with smoke trails and stuff, which was pretty cool. Don't know what that was all about, but that was good for a free stop, I think.
Lovely to wake up this morning to see the mist on the lake.
We went for a walk down the beach, didn't you?
Yeah, I went for a walk, didn't we? Went for a walk.
Dexter had a little walkie, so all good. So
beautiful today.
So we're going to move on now around the loch a little bit to, I'm not going to pronounce the name, we'll talk about it when we get there, something again with B, for a walk. Apparently it's a woodland walk kind of thing. They say take your binoculars, so I'm not quite sure what we're going to see, but we're going to go and do that today and then head on up around the loch, probably up to on the A82, I think. Not quite sure where we're going to land up. We'll see what happens. We could get to a campsite.
Paddles over there, look.
Yeah, and we got people over on the paddle boards over there, you can see. So yeah, it's lots going on the lake today. It's a Sunday. It's a bit misty and cloudy. Some jet skiers over there. So yeah, it's a really nice place. Right, we've arrived now from our stop over at Loch Lomond. About 15 minutes drive, 20 minutes drive I suppose, and not too bad. On some little A roads, and we're now at Balmaha, I think it's called. Parking place, and I guess it's a walk here. There seem to be a lot of serious people with backpacks and walking sticks. It is classed as an intermediate or a beginner's walk, which is our first proper walk, I suppose. So we've got Dexter along with us, and we'll see how we go. But yeah, there's some serious looking walkers here, so that's a bit worrying. So we'll see how it goes. Well, this might be a beginner's walk for some, but for me, I'm an old man. I'm out of breath, and that's only the first part. There's Dexter. I don't know how much further. Today we were at KILCHURN Castle, I believe. It took us a little while to find it. We went past it about half an hour ago. Went miles around the loch. I think it's at Loch, I believe. It's a rainy day. Typical, I think, Scottish weather, I would guess. But what we'll say, we'll see what it's like and have a little walk along. But yeah, catch you later. It's the footpath to the castle, so we must be going the right way. Come on, Dexter, let's go. Well, that was KILCHURN Castle. I think it was pretty good. It was free, which was another good thing. I got on my caterpillar. There's caterpillars crosses. There are caterpillars everywhere here, which is weird. Yeah, so yeah, I always like free stuff, so that was free. I don't think I would have paid to go in there, to be honest, but it was interesting. So I don't know where we're going to go next. May go to Oban, not so sure yet. We'll come up with a plan as we go.
was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
So we are at Invercote campsite. Pretty expensive. It's £27 tonight, but we could have wild camped somewhere, but we decided not to, just for a bit of a change again. But we got a lakeside or lochside view, which is pretty amazing, I have to say. We are in really what amounts to a car park. So it is a car park. So for 27 quid, it's quite a lot of money, I suppose, but you wouldn't get a view like this anywhere else. Let's see how we go.
Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
It's a windy and blustery day today, and we're just going to chill out, I think, by the beach. View's fantastic. Show you the view. And the wind's dropped quite a bit, so that's the view from the van. Pretty awesome. And breakfast is on the go. Karen's having her breakfast there, which I've cooked using the fantastic Ridge Monkey. So yeah, that works really well. You just cook the food nicely. Just still myself some bacon. Yeah, it's going to be a lazy day today. Stick around to see more adventures in part 2.